I was, I think when I talked to you earlier, I was saying because I work for a city, we get, paid, like 40 hours a week, although, we are on salary.
Sure.
But a lot of times if we work over, somehow they can end up paying us straight time. And I was trying to figure out how can they do that? Is that, like lawful or what?
Yeah, okay.
Great question. The number one thing you should know is that cities, counties, and the state are not immune from this law. This is federal law. And just because it's a municipality doesn't mean they don't have to pay overtime. They do. Grover, I don't know enough about your particular situation to answer your question. A lot of municipalities and counties will do what they call time banks. Now, time banks are legal, and what they are is they sort of put your overtime hours away, and you can take that time off work on occasion. Now, the problem that they run into, again, some of it driven by the economy, is when they are short-staffed, you don't get to take those hours. And if they don't let you take those hours in a reasonable time, then they're breaking the law. In essence, they're working you, but not giving you anything for it.
Well, what's your recommendation? I mean, do people need to make sure they keep exact records of their hours when they're coming in, when they're leaving work, maybe specifically what their bosses have asked them to do, that sort of, keep very good records?
Tiffany,
because it can be a he said, she said thing.
Sure, that's a good point, and that's probably something people should do. But one thing that this law does, this law is really protective of employees, which is a good thing. And it puts the burden on the employer to keep up with your hours properly. And it puts the burden on the employer to do what the employer is supposed to do in terms of paying you correctly, which is where the burden should rest.